How to download videos from Dailymotion. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily download videos from the Dailymotion app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up the Dailymotion app. And once you're on the app, make sure you are logged in. And now go to the video that you want to download. So for example, let's say if I want to download this video, you simply have to open the video. So tap on it to open, and here you will get the download option. So tap on it and now wait for it to download. And once the video is downloaded, go back, and then here you have to tap on library in the bottom right corner here. And then here in library you will see downloads. Tap on it to open, and here you will see the downloaded videos on your Dailymotion app. So this is how you can download videos from Dailymotion. Thanks for watching.